Hello everybody, Brad here from Dante Arms Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we are going to be checking out a new headset. This time it's from Trust. It's the GXT 450 Blitz with RGB, and it's their gaming headset. However, before we jump into this review, here's a message from today's sponsor. So today's video is brought to you by PureVPN, the virtual private network that's going to keep your security and your privacy in hand, which is also self-managed. They have 6,500 servers across 140 different countries and no log certified, meaning they do not share your data with anybody else. They have a 256-bit encryption protecting you for while you're on the move, whether you're getting games downloaded early, watching videos, listening to the latest music, or even downloading anything from Netflix. Again, PureVPN is the network that's going to keep your security at hand, and the link is in the description down below. To get 99p off your first 7-day free trial, 50% off your first year subscription, or even 70% off a 2-year subscription, again, link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. So first of all, let's take a look at the contents of this gaming headset. So upon opening the box, and this is what you're going to be greeted with inside. So as I pull it out here, you're not going to need that or that, but you have got a user manual. Now this is going to be everything that you're going to need when you're hooking up your gaming headset. It tells you all about it, but you're not going to need to use this because I will show you how in this video. And there is the headphones itself. So it comes with a really nice finish to it. If I can get it out the box, there you go. There you go. So it is plastic all the way around, and you've got this matte sort of grey effect on the headphones itself. And then you have got these sort of like pleather earphones, and they do also twist as well. So both of them twist in and out, and then the whole headphone itself twists. As you can see now, it's a little bit stiff because it's brand new, but obviously it's going to be able to fit anywhere that you want it to put. And then obviously you've got the boom mic that is flexible, so you can put it up out the way. Now RGB wise, it comes around this GTX logo and around the outside here on both left and right ear cup. And then as you can see in the middle, you have got this, I would say, elasticated band here that has got Velcro, so you can adjust it when you put it onto your head. So yeah, overall it looks really nice. Now moving on to the cable itself, and it is a really nice braided cable, which like I say, on all headsets it should be on there. It just gives the headset a bit more of a premium feel. But there's your USB cable there. Like I said, it is paracord or braided cable. And then if I can get this wrapper off around the control panel here, sticky, there you go, get that off, move it out the way. And this is your control panel here. So as we look at the control panel here, you've got your plus and your minus for the volume, you've got your audio mute, you've got your mic mute, and then in the middle, you've got the RGB button as well to sort of obviously control the headphones. And again, that's a plastic coating. It actually looks really nice. They've designed it really well, and I do really like the look of this headset so far. But yeah, this is from Trust. Now I have checked out quite a few of their products so far. I will put links in the description down below as well for you. So just a couple of other things to add about this headset is that the drivers are 40mm active speakers, and also it does say that it has 7.1 surround sound for obviously in-game experience and immersion. So we're going to go ahead and check that out. I'm going to hook it up, see what it looks like. I'm going to do an audio test with music first of all, and then I'm going to put it on and I'm going to try gaming with it, and I will tell you my thoughts at the end of the video. So next up is going to be the raw audio sound of the boom mic on the GXT 450 by Trust Gaming. And if I just put it on here and click record, and what you can hear now is the raw audio sound of the GXT 450 by Trust Gaming. Hopefully I'm coming through loud, I'm coming through clear, and I'm coming through crisp. And judging by the bar on the OBS over here, there is no peaking and it does actually sound alright. So using the headset in games, and it was absolutely fantastic. However, I did have to turn the sound down because these 40mm drivers are really loud. Just bear that in mind if you're going to buy this headset. But yeah, very immersed into the game, could hear everything going on, could hear footsteps. And yeah, overall, just a really nice sort of feel and sound to it. And especially with that enhanced 7.1 surround sound, it actually did the headphones justice. So then let's talk about the headphones overall, and I'm going to start off with the pros. Now before I get into it, if you want to check this headset out, Amazon affiliate link is in the description down below, so go ahead, check it out, and obviously it doesn't cost you anything extra, just gives the channel a bit of a kickback. It means I can bring you more videos like this. But let's talk the pros of the GXT 450 by Trust Gaming. So overall, a really nice headset. Now when I did the music audio test, the bass, the mids, the highs, they were all there. Now I did also have to lower the sound because they were very loud. And again, when gaming, I had to lower the sound of the headphones as well because those 40mm drivers are really loud. But that is a really good thing because it immerses you into the game. Now the microphone quality was absolutely perfect. As you could hear, I was coming through loud, I was coming through clear, and I was coming through crisp, which is actually really good for a pair of headphones. Also, just to let you know that on the end of the boom mic, there is a little light to tell you whether the microphone is on or off. So again, that's a great little touch. The RGB isn't addressable, but again, that doesn't matter. You're not really going to see it. Now let's talk about the cons. And first up, I want to talk about the quality of the headset. Now, whilst the quality is all right, I just feel that being maybe metal would have been a little bit better, or maybe sort of a bit of a harder plastic, because it just lowers the quality of the headphones. But that's not a major. But overall, a really nice headset. Now, if you want to go ahead and check it out, like I said, Amazon affiliate link is in the description down below. So it's not going to cost you guys anything extra, just gives the channel a bit of a kickback and means I can bring you more videos like this. So at the time of filming, the headset from Trust Gaming actually comes in at just shy of £40. However, that does it for me today. If you did like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Any thoughts or questions that you do have, leave those in that comment section down below. And go ahead and share the video, it really does help out the channel. And underneath the video, there's a red bar that says subscribe. Click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from myself. And also go and check me out on social media, Instagram, Facebook. I've also got Discord and Teespring for any DAT merch will be in the description down below as well. However, that does it for me today, and I shall see you in the next video.